Greetings one more time. This is the final lesson for lesson 6, part 6, and it's only a short one this time. And it's only because we're trying to keep the files small enough for a quick download for you and be able to see them comfortably. Also, there is a limit on our timing as we upload to YouTube, so we do have our limits. In this section, we are going to talk about creating a file with intent. Now, what do I mean on this? You have a project, and you're going to create certain files and what you're going to do. In other words, you have a planned course of action. You're able to create all of the files that you need for the different programs you have installed on your computer. As we look at this, we're going to realize that my list of documents that I can create for the programs I have is going to be different than what's on your list. Also, as you have your computer, this list will also develop differently. To gain access on this, you'll be able to go to the desktop, and in a blank area you will right click, that is using the right button on the mouse, and then go to hold the mouse on top of New. At that point, you'll have another menu pop up that will give you what you want to do, and you'll be able to create a new document for whatever program it may be. Like I've already said, I have a number of programs that I can develop files for. For example, I have Microsoft Word in there, Street Maps. I can create a document with OpenOffice with all of its different parts on there, as well as I can get into a plain desktop document. And also, what is really interesting on this, we are also to be able to create an empty folder. Now, the one on the bottom is very interesting, a compressed zip folder. This is new since creating that. Whenever you create a zipped folder, you will be able to drop a file in there, and Microsoft Windows XP will automatically condense it to a compact size that will be fitting to send over the web as attached to your email. So that's a very good tool right there, and I've used that quite a few times. I would also like to tell you that using a compressed zip folder, you'll be able to have more than one document in there at a time. And when you want to send a packet of more than one file to a mail recipient, you'll be able to do that by attaching the entire folder and sending its contents. So that is a very interesting tip. I have had to use that in the past quite a few times. In fact, I was making such packets a couple times a week for the activities I was engaged in. This is the end of lesson 6. And we covered quite a bit of material on this, and the necessity of making this final section was just to tip off the end of it, that we don't have something too large to be handled on the web. And please remember that this does not constitute for your attendance at our church, where we present these programs and you're able to earn a computer. Only when you attend this class, participate and ask whatever questions you have, be able to put everything we're teaching you into practice, and you will get a free computer. And you'll have a good idea of how to use it.